Today I'm unboxing this truck. This truck is eye-based toy which comes with map also and some instructions. So it has 6 cars inside. The wheels are good. It is used for carrying. Um, yeah, I think we have to open it from the down. See, there are clutches in the down. So, there are 6 cars here. Red. I'm unboxing this one. See, I'm able to take all at once. On the other side, I can find dinosaurs. Oh, with the eggs? Wow. So two trees too. 6 trucks. Oh, I'm sorry. One truck, 3 eggs, 6 cars, and 6 dinosaurs, 2 trees. There you go. These are very good. These have very good color, and the dinosaurs are good to play too. Oh, great. This comes with a map. Nice. Oh, the map is not the cloth one, it's just a plastic kind of. Oh, I can play. And I'm able to explain something to how to based on arrow, which direction you should play. So, what are here? Mm-hmm. All I have is with the help of this map, I can teach kid how to follow the arrows on the roads to reach at certain point, and I can show the city hall, police station, hospital. What else are there? Farm is also there. Cool. I think I can play at least for half an hour explaining red light, green light, and yellow light. And I also can introduce dinosaurs in the neighborhood in this map, by the way. Oh, there are trees too. Good to have trees too. I think I can keep the dinosaurs in the farm and the eggs too. So if your kid is so much anger and he wants to keep things in the mouth, I think we should keep the dinosaurs inside. Not dinosaurs, dinosaur eggs inside. Oh, there is a playground also. There are skyscrapers. And a praying place, parking garage, hospital with an ambulance in it. So if your kids have separate toys, we can also play it on this map. We can even easily store this map when we are not using it. That's how we can save the space, because obviously we'll have so many toys other than this. The quality is good, and it withstands throwing if the kid tends to throw. They are good quality dinosaurs too. Nice. I can carry it around. Oh, my kid is already playing with it. Thank you. Thanks. Share and subscribe.